To access the virtual terminal, please select Transactions and head across to Virtual Terminal Credit Card Charge. You can also access the virtual terminal via the shortcut at the bottom of the MCP page. In the top right hand side of the screen we have Use Stored Card. There is another video on how to use this function. The credit card number, the expiry date, the CVV number and the cardholder name are all mandatory fields. When using the virtual terminal, please make sure to include as much detail as possible to avoid chargebacks. You may want to input your client's IP address. To do this, ask your client to go to Google and search for their IP address. Then enter it into here. Most transactions will be processed as a regular transaction. Authorization is if you were a car rental company or someone like that that wanted to check if funds were available on that card. And capture would be to then take those payments that you have checked for authorization. Currently we don't use the confirm by phone option. If you are confirming a payment by phone, just put this through as a regular transaction. Credit type shows how you wish to credit the card that you are billing. A usual transaction would be under regular. We obviously have the ability to refund the transaction using this, but personally I use the other method for refunds. But this is handy when you're on the phone to someone. We have delayed charge, so this would be if you're offering a trial period to someone, say a trial period for 3 days and then you wanted to bill the card. We have a credit charge. This is only used for merchants who live outside of the UK. Independent credit is only used for non-UK merchants. You have the ability to capture your customer's address. We suggest this is the best option for preventing chargebacks. We have ability to set up a recurring billing. So if you're a subscription model business, then you can set this up over the phone. You have the charges. This example I'm about to give you is if you were setting up one charge, so one per month for a total of 12 months. So this would be a year's subscription charged monthly. You can change these values as you require. We also have a notes area just to keep more details on the transaction. When you completed that, select charge.